Okay, in this video, we'll go over distance measurement using an ultrasonic sensor and an Arduino. The objective of this video is to measure the distance of an obstacle from the sensor, analyze data, and take a decision based on a set parameter. The necessary components for this project is an ultrasonic sensor or a distance sensor, a microcontroller, a buzzer, jumper cables, 3 LED lights, the USB serial cable, and the Arduino coding. The sensor receives the ultrasonic waves through this, and they transmit the ultrasonic waves through this. That's how it detects the distance. The sensor sends the ultrasonic waves through the transmitter until it hits the object, then it bounces back to the receiver, and then with the equation velocity times time divided by 2, we calculate the distance. Now I will start connecting jumper cables to the microcontroller and to the breadboard. First, I will connect jumper cable to the trigger. And from there to the microcontroller. In our programming, we have it in port 2. Okay. Next, we will connect it one to the echo pin, to the echo, which is right next to trigger. And in our programming, we have it in port number 3. Okay. Now we will have our longest LED, which will represent if the distance is as I was saying, if the distance is less than or equal to 30 millimeters, the green LED will be on, and that's the one I will be connecting. In our programming, we have it in port number 8. I will connect it to there. Next, we will connect the red LED, which will be on if the distance is less than or equal to 20 millimeters. And that is in port 11. There, connected to the red pin. Next, we will connect the yellow LED, which will represent if the distance is less than or equal to 10. It's in port 12. We connect it to green LED. Here we go. Now we connect the buzzer from port 5 to ground. Next, I will connect from the green LED to the positive side of the buzzer, and from the ground port in the sensor to the ground in the breadboard. And I will repeat that for the voltage from the volt to the voltage source in the breadboard. Now I will connect the last two jumper cables from the 5-volt port in the microcontroller to whatever port in the voltage source in the breadboard, and I will repeat that for the ground from the ground port in the microcontroller to the ground in the breadboard. Now I will connect the microcontroller using the USB cable to the computer. I will upload the code. Okay. There we go. Program is running. Now we can see how the program is working. This is the result. It's the buzzer. Change the distance. Now if we go more than 100 millimeters away, we can see the program is working. It's reading the distances and the change in distance. Buzzer sounding if it reaches 5 millimeters or less.